If you want your videos to look more polished and consistent, one of the easiest things you can do in CapCut PC is apply the same transition to all clips. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step, so you can save time and give your entire edit a cleaner, more professional look. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC and make sure all of your video clips are already placed next to each other on the timeline. This is important because transitions only work between two clips that are touching. If there are any gaps between the clips, you won't be able to apply the transition properly. Once your clips are lined up, look at the upper left area of the screen and click on the Transitions tab. This will open CapCut's transition library, where you can browse all of the available effects. You'll see a wide range of styles here, from simple fades and wipes to more dynamic effects. As you move your mouse over each transition, CapCut will give you a preview, so take a moment to find one that matches the style of your video. Now, one quick tip before you choose, make sure you select a free transition. Some transitions in CapCut are marked with a pro label, which means they require a paid plan. If you want to follow along for free, just avoid anything labeled pro and stick with the standard transitions that are available to all users. After you've picked the transition you want, apply it to the first gap between your first two clips. You can do this by dragging and dropping the transition directly into the space between the clips on the timeline. If you prefer, you can also move your playhead right onto the cut between the two clips and click the plus icon that appears on the transition preview. Either method works, so use whichever feels easier for you. Once the transition has been added, click on the transition icon in your timeline so it becomes highlighted. This is important because it tells CapCut that you're editing that specific transition. After selecting it, look to the top right corner of the interface where you'll see the Transition Property panel. This panel controls the settings for the transition, including how fast or slow it plays. Here, you'll find the duration slider. Adjust this slider to shorten or lengthen the transition depending on the style you want. A shorter duration gives you a quicker, snappier effect, while a longer duration creates a smoother, more gradual movement between clips. Try a few different settings if you want, because the best duration often depends on the pace of your edit and the type of footage you're using. Now comes the step that makes this process really efficient. With that same transition still selected on your timeline, look at the bottom of the Transition Property panel and click Apply to All. This will instantly copy that transition style across all of the other clip gaps in your project, so you don't have to add it manually one by one. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're editing a long video, a vlog, a montage, or any project where you want the same visual style throughout. Instead of repeating the same action over and over, CapCut lets you keep your workflow fast and consistent with just one click. And that's it. You now know how to apply the same transition to all clips in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy CapCut editing tips, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.